Recent survey conducted by the Indian Council of Medical Research and the National Institute of Virology has found the presence of antibodies against the Nipah virus in some bat species from a cave in Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is a popular hill station in Maharashtra. The Nipah virus is a zoonotic virus that can spread from animals to human beings. Kerala witnessed a fatal outbreak in the year 2018 that killed 17 people and 19 were infected. The death rate was 89%. The state responded on a war footing and patients were immediately isolated, and those suspected of having Nipah were also tracked down. A health officer trained in Ebola outbreak protocols was brought in to ensure correct response to the outbreak. In 2019 also, when Kerala found another case of Nipah virus in a young student, it deployed health workers to track down anyone who came in contact with the patient and was able to quickly identify and isolate and test 329 contacts. There were fortunately no deaths. The latest survey on antibodies against Nipah in bats was aimed at studying the prevalence of Nipah virus in bats of India. In March 2020, 2 species of bats were trapped by researchers in a cave in Mahabaleshwar. The new study has found Nipah antibodies in different bat species in India. What is interesting is that none of the bat species in Maharashtra had previously shown exposure to Nipah, according to Dr. Pragya Yadav, an NIV scientist and one of the authors of the study. The question now is whether Nipah can be the next pandemic. However, researchers of the paper say more studies are required to understand this thoroughly. The disease spreads mostly through affected fruit bats, and it can infect humans if they consume products contaminated by fruit bat droppings. The virus can spread from humans to human, especially through respiratory secretions and saliva. The incubation period for Nipah virus is between 5 and 15 days on average, and in some extreme cases, the symptoms only begin showing after up to 40 days, which means there is a lot of time for an infected person to pass on the disease unknowingly to others.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.